Bitcoin is creating a new consolidation pattern, and this pattern is said to be breaking out in the coming 24 hours. And on today's video, I will talk about my price targets, the liquidation heat map, where I think Bitcoin is heading towards next, and many more important stuff. So without any further ado, I will try to keep it as short as possible since it is today and Saturday. But can we once again smash up that like button back above 1,000 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. So I have been discussing this already for quite a while, but currently we're still sitting in this accumulation phase between $44,000 and that $42,000. I think that this is the range where we're currently trading in, and once we're breaking either above resistance on the top side or either below support on the lower side, that is the point where a next big move is going to get initiated. So if we break support, we're expecting Bitcoin is going to be going in a continuation of a bearish trend, but if we do break bullish over here, see that continuation back above $44,000, that will be giving me a confirmation, okay, we are most likely going to be heading higher from off this point and not necessarily lower. So I will be personally monitoring this very closely, but of course currently we're also creating a head and shoulders pattern, and this head and shoulders pattern has got a price target around $50,000, but of course it is only going to be playing out if we break above this resistance. And honestly, an opportunity that I'm currently seeing here is that if Bitcoin breaks above the resistance and will be then at that point retesting that resistance as support, that would be, in my opinion, a very good opportunity to be opening up a new trade. But currently still looking at this inverse head and shoulders pattern, and the moment we confirm the breakout is once we break above the neckline, what is currently sitting also around $44,000. That is the exact same level that I just pointed out here on the 1 hour time frame. What is the top side of our region? Further on, we can currently see that Bitcoin is creating a new consolidation phase that is set to be breaking out in the coming 24 hours. So this is breaking out anytime soon here, and honestly, if we do see the breakout, we're going to see a little bit more of a direction about where Bitcoin is heading towards, and that would really help me to determine what the next big move is going to be for Bitcoin. So currently we can clearly see we're creating lower highs here on that 4 hourly time frame together with higher lows, and at one point in the market we are going to be seeing a breakout of this exact pattern, and that is going to be telling us a little bit more about what the direction is going to be for Bitcoin. Are we going to continue with this higher low structure, or are we going to continue with a lower high structure for Bitcoin? So this is very important to be paying attention towards, and I will be closely looking towards this myself personally as well. So currently in the liquidation heat map, we can currently see that there's a lot of liquidity being built up on the top side. So I think that on the short term, it is likely that Bitcoin is going to be grabbing this liquidity. It's currently sitting around 43.7k, so I won't be surprised that we're actually going to be taking out the liquidity. But you have to understand that still, in the bigger perspective, we're looking at that $44,000 to $45,000, and there is a lot of liquidity. But if we take out that liquidity, there's only a lot of liquidity on the lower side. And if Bitcoin were to be coming down, what, in my opinion, if I'm looking at the liquidation heat map, is a very likely thing to be happening. But if it were to be happening, I would be definitely approach this as a gift, because if Bitcoin comes down again, you could be opening up massive trades on altcoins, but also on Bitcoin with a very good entry. And that is why we'll be looking at this. And yes, if Bitcoin were to be coming down, I will be embracing it with both hands, because it will give me a better opportunity to accumulate more Bitcoin in the market. And I mean, the market in general has been growing quite significantly. We are seeing that the tether market cap is also significantly increasing. I mean, to be exact here, for the last, 95 days, we saw an approximately, $16 billion inflow on tether, and that is actually quite massive, because that literally means that people are converting their real dollars from the bank to digital dollars, the USDT of course, and yeah, that is basically growing the ecosystem. Further on, we can see that Bitcoin of course clearly bounced from my daily support, and guys, I have opened up a copy trading account here on Deepcoin. So if you want to be joining me with my next trade here, I mean, the last 6 trades have been extremely profitable. Right now I'm just waiting a little bit here before my next trade, and if you want to be joining it, make sure to sign up an account using that link below of today's video. You have to sign up a link below if you want to be joining my copy trading account. But yeah, going to be start doing this anytime soon. If you sign up an account, you just go to copy trading, you go to Crypto Rover, and you can start following me. I have not placed a trade yet so far, but looking to do so anytime soon, and I will be doing this on Deepcoin. I will also do my new leverage trade here also on Deepcoin, so make sure to check it out. If you're depositing $100, you can get a free $100 in cashback, so make sure to check it out in the link description of today's video. Further on, we can just clearly see that basically Bitcoin is still reaccumulating in this entire region, and once we do see that break above that $44,000 US dollars, that is the point where I expect the next move towards the upside is going to get initiated. And if you were to be, let's say, seeing a breakout and get that opportunity to be opening up a trade on the retest, that would be actually also a very interesting scenario in my opinion. But for the rest, there's not a lot of new stuff that currently has changed in the market. So yeah, that was it for me in today's update video. I truly hope you did enjoy it. If you did so, don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow's video. Peace out. Goodbye.